We are back at beautiful Myrtle Beach at Broadway at the beach to check out a burger joint, but not just a burger joint, Wahlburgers burger joint. Stay tuned.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, Broadway at the beach, and we're gonna check out Wahlburgers. Let's go taste some burgers.
Wahlburgers in Myrtle Beach is located at Broadway at the beach, specifically in the area which used to be called Celebrity Square, now known as the Avenue. They are open for lunch and dinner, and on the weekends they are open late night for dining. Wahlburgers is known for their never frozen, always fresh burgers and sauces made scratch. This is a full service and fast casual family restaurant with a full bar. And if you're unfamiliar with this place, it was created by Mark, Donnie, and Paul Wahlberg. And if you're old enough, you may remember Donnie Wahlberg, who helped create one of the most famous boy bands in the world, New Kids on the Block. And his younger brother, Mark Wahlberg, as some know him as Marky Mark, is currently one of the most famous actors in the world. So together with their brother Paul Wahlberg, who was an accomplished chef, created Wahlburgers, which has grown to over 50 locations around the country and Australia. And as of 2022, is the official burger of the Boston Red Sox. Okay, so they have all kind of things here. Starters, sandwiches of all sorts, entree salads, burgers, and a lot more. Okay, now this is called the Spinach and Parmesan Wall Bites.
That's right. And let's see here.
Okay, let's see what it looks like and tastes like.
Oh, look at that. You got it?
Good gracious.
Look at that. That looks delicious.
All right. What kind of sauce is
and
that?
it's honey butter sauce.
You good?
Yeah.
All right, thumbs up. That means it's good. Okay, now what'd you get?
I got the Our Burger.
Our Burger.
Doesn't that look delicious? Let's pick
right.
it up and see.
Let's see that thing. Good night.
Yummy.
Oh, I see that big old onion you like in there too.
Yes, I do.
And I got the Fiesta Burger. And we opted not to get French fries or anything because we're on a diet. Look at that, jalapenos right there.
That does look good.
Let's try it out.
Let's see that burger.
That's the Fiesta Burger. Let's see how hot it is.
How's it taste?
Very good.
All right.
Well, that was a look at Wahlburgers here at Broadway at the beach, right in the middle of Myrtle Beach.
So whenever you're hungry for a hamburger, make sure you come to Wahlburgers because that was a good, delicious grilled hamburger.
And the appetizer was awesome.
Yes,
Off the chain.
delicious.
Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on while we do a little bit of shopping.
Thanks for watching. And as always, keep beaching.